Where do heat pumps get their heat from? Heat pumps are highly efficient heating and cooling systems that use a small amount of energy to transfer heat from one place to another. Unlike traditional heating systems that generate heat, heat pumps get their heat by extracting it from the air, ground, or water. Domestic and commercial heat pumps extract heat from the outdoor air, even in cold temperatures, and transfer it into usable heat for heating for domestic hot water generation. Heat pumps work by utilizing a refrigeration cycle that consists of four main components: an evaporator, a compressor, a condenser, and an expansion valve. The process starts with the evaporator, which absorbs heat from the heat source, such as the air or the ground. The refrigerant in the evaporator evaporates, turning into a gas and absorbing the heat in the process. The compressor then compresses the gas, increasing its temperature and pressure. This hot, pressurized gas then moves to the condenser, where it releases the heat it has absorbed. As the refrigerant cools down, it condenses back into a liquid state. Finally, the expansion valve reduces the pressure of the refrigerant, allowing it to return to the evaporator and start the cycle again. Domestic and commercial air source heat pumps are popular due to their accessibility and relatively lower installation costs compared to other types of heat pumps. However, their efficiency may decrease in extremely cold climates. Ground source heat pumps utilize the stable temperature of the ground to extract heat. These heat pumps use a series of pipes, called loops, buried underground to circulate a heat transfer fluid, usually a mixture of water and glycol. The fluid absorbs heat from the ground and carries it to the heat pump, where it is transferred for usable heat. Ground source heat pumps are highly efficient and can provide both heating and cooling solutions. They are particularly beneficial in regions with extreme temperatures, as the ground temperature remains relatively stable throughout the year. However, installation costs can be higher due to the need for digging and laying the underground loops. Water source heat pumps extract heat from a water source, such as a lake, river, or well. They work similarly to ground source heat pumps by circulating a heat transfer fluid through a series of pipes. The fluid absorbs heat from the water source and carries it to the heat pump. Water source heat pumps are highly efficient and can provide consistent heating and cooling. They are often used in areas with abundant water resources, such as coastal regions or near lakes and rivers. However, their availability and accessibility of a suitable water source may limit their applicability. Domestic and commercial heat pumps offer a sustainable and energy-efficient solution for heating buildings. By extracting heat from the air, ground, or water, they can provide renewable heat while reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. As technology advances and renewable energy sources become more accessible, the future of commercial heat pumps looks promising. With ongoing research and development, we can expect even greater efficiency, affordability, and sustainability in the coming years. For more information and schematics on domestic hot water heat pump design, download our brochure today. Scan the QR code or go to our website for more training and design help.